to see cancel all sent follow requests by you on Instagram 2026. Hello everyone! Before we start, like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Instagram tips and updates. If you want to see or cancel all the follow requests you've sent on Instagram, here's the updated and official way to do it in 2026. First, open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Second, tap the three lines menu in the top right corner and go to Settings. Third, open Accounts Center, then tap your information and permissions. Now select Access your information. Next, tap Connections, and then choose Current Follow Requests. Here you'll see all the follow requests you've sent that haven't been accepted yet. To cancel them, go back to Instagram, search for the profile you sent the request to, open it, and tap Cancel Request. Repeat this step for any request you want to remove. Currently, Instagram does not offer a one-tap cancel all option, so requests must be canceled manually. Pro tip: canceling old follow requests can help keep your account clean and may improve engagement over time. That's it! Now you know how to see and cancel sent follow requests on Instagram in 2026. If this helped, like, subscribe, and comment cleared below.